Bora Bora in French Polynesia. We just flew in from, we stayed a night in Tahiti, and then we flew to Bora Bora, took a flight to Bora Bora, and then took a water taxi, and now we're staying at the Four Seasons. So what you saw behind me was the walkway, the boardwalk of with the Overwater Bungalows. This one is at the very end of the walkway, so it's the most private, and it also faces Mount Otemanu. And this is room 130. So this is the name is the 1-bedroom Overwater Bungalow Suite. A full 147 square meters. This is Four Seasons' flagship property in this region. So first, off to the left, you have a secondary bathroom and a shower. All right. So get the non-exciting stuff out of the way. So this is the main living area. Again, this is the 1-bedroom Otemanu View Overwater Bungalow Suite. I think that's the full name. This is the living area. So how Bora Bora is laid out is you have an island in the middle, and then it's surrounded by a reef, a natural reef, and a lot of the top properties are on the reef side, or on the reef. And then what happens is they then have the overwater bungalows that face inward towards the towards Bora Bora, the island. And so, let me back up here. Hold on, it's not easy having concentration to film and talk at the same time. If you don't believe me, you should try it yourself. Anyways, so, but the problem with that is that if the boardwalk of the elevated boardwalk with the bungalows are facing, if it's perpendicular and headed towards the main island, then the rooms on each side are not facing, don't have straight-on views of the island, which, you know, this room, which is at the very end of it, facing outward or inward towards the island, provides that commanding view. So that's one of the advantages of this room. Let me just walk over this way. So this is the closet. There's two of them here. And the belongings. Oh, forgot. Here's the mini bar area. Tea, coffee, alcohol. This is where the mini bar is, complimentary non-alcoholic drinks, water, all that good stuff. So then this is the bedroom. And we'll come back to that. Well, actually, let's just show it here. So king size bed, bedroom. And then the third room here is the master bathroom. So you have the, I think one is a shower and the other is the toilet. So let's open this up. Yep, it's the toilet. And then over here is the shower. Okay. And then this is the freestanding bathtub. His and hers. And then so this is the let's now head to the deck. And so this is Bora, the island. So we're on the outer reef. And so we have a commanding view, or commanding partial view of the island and Mount Otemanu. That's partially covered in clouds. You have a plunge pool here, and then the ocean in the view. It's one of the I think there's three boardwalks jutting out, at least at Four Seasons. So I think there's 3 of these type of rooms. Anyway, so you have a little cabana area, and hang out, relax. And then I guess, what is that, a trampoline? So let's swing around. I swung around the wrong way. So from here you can walk down the stairs and go directly into the water, which is one of the beauties of having an overwater bungalow. So if you come down, by the way, so here's a shower, outdoor shower here. So you can wash off before you go into the room if you so desire. And you go straight in. I'm going down this ladder. Ooh, look at that, there's a turtle. Oh, look at that, cool. Nice. There it is again. Awesome. So let's walk across the way and up the other side. And so this is the deck that's outside of the living room. Anyway, so you have loungers, and then you have private seating area, so you can have a nice romantic cocktails or whatever you want to do. It's kind of nice. So let's have a straight on view from the deck. Okay, a little harsh light later in the afternoon, but before golden hour, unfortunately. Anyway, so this is the Four Seasons Bora Bora. The 1-bedroom Otemanu View Overwater Bungalow Suite. 147 square meters and a view of the island like that. Hope you enjoyed.